Hello, beautiful people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you creamy Au Gratin Potatoes, an impressive holiday side dish that you can make for your family. Let's get right into it. I'll begin with about 8 Yukon Gold potatoes and then I'll peel it with my potato peeler. You can use a knife to peel this as well. After peeling, I'll make sure to rinse my potatoes and then I'll begin to slice it in round shapes. If you don't have this type of slicer, you can use a knife to achieve it. Just make sure you slice it very thin. This potato dish is also called gratin dauphinois. I hope I got the French right. It is a French cooking technique that involves baking the potatoes in a creamy cheesy sauce. I'm all done slicing my potatoes and this is how thin the potatoes should be. I'll be using Gruyere cheese and cheddar cheese, and both are 8 ounce each. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe so that you can be part of this family. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your massive support. God bless you. Cheese is all nicely shredded, so I'll set it on the side. To my Dutch pot, I'll add in my butter and then I'll add in my all-purpose flour. I'll give it a very good mix and please make sure that your flour is very well cooked. Once the flour is very well cooked, I'll add in my heavy cream. And then I'll come in with about 3 cups of milk. You can use whole milk or 2% milk for this. Please stir it for a good amount of time to prevent lumps. After stirring for some time, I'll add in my fresh chopped garlic. You can use garlic powder. And then I'll add in my chopped onion. You can use onion powder as well. I'll add in my black pepper and then I'll add in my salt. I'll give it a good mix. And at this point, we'll be mixing until the sauce thicken up. And this is called the roux. After the sauce is well thickened, I'll add in half of each of the grated cheese and then we'll give it a good mix as well. Please make sure not to add all that cheese. Just use half of what you've grated and then I'll give it a good stir. My sauce is ready to be taken off heat, so I'll turn off my flame and then remove it from heat. I'll add in my sliced potatoes. And yes, I'm adding the potatoes in raw, not cooked. We'll give it a good mix until everything is nicely combined. So we'll be cooking the potatoes in this creamy, delicious sauce. Guys, this is one of the best recipes you can ever make for your family on this holiday. I'll transfer my creamy mixed potatoes into a 9 by 13 casserole dish and then I'll spread on the rest of the cheese. This is where it gets exciting. And then I'll cover it with aluminum foil. I'll bake it for 1 hour. Then after 1 hour, I'll remove the foil and bake it for another 20 minutes or until the potatoes are tender and can easily be pared with fork. An hour and 20 minutes later, the potatoes is ready and it is out of the oven. You can garnish this with chives or just with scallion. This potato recipe is a show-stopping potato side dish. It is so delicious that I make every year for my family on Christmas. It is an absolute holiday worthy. Simple to prepare, especially with this quick method. I hope you give this a try and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. My family really enjoys it every time I make it. I love it so much as well. It is so creamy and so delicious. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys.